Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, from the past 1.5 years, I've seen a lot of development specifically happening in the field of AI. If we consider generative AI, if we consider the LLM models, if we consider LIM models, if we consider AI tools that are coming up in the market, and recently I hope everybody has seen about Devin, which is the first AI software engineer. And obviously applications like ChatGPT, and there are other competitors who are building amazing AI tools for images, for text, and many more. Now, currently, you can actually see that in our life, I think everybody right now is probably using AI. So that is the reason why I've kept this title of this particular video, that it's time to adopt AI in our lives. Now, when I say with respect to adopt, it is not like you just need to learn AI for getting a job or working in this specific field. Yes, if you are interested, you can also go in that specific path. But adoption of AI is really necessary in our life, because at the end of the day, whatever predictions, whatever forecasting, whatever achievements is basically happening in the field of AI is because of data. The more data that we have, and obviously we're going to have a lot of amount of data as we go ahead, because we are using social media platforms, we are using different platforms altogether. Every day, every second, every minute, data is getting increased exponentially. So it is necessary, guys. We really need to adopt AI, and we need to adopt in such a way that how we can use AI efficiently in our day-to-day activities. Now, from past 4 to 5 years, like I have already completed 5 years uploading videos in YouTube channel, and I've been working in the field of AI from 2014. And I've seen that kind of change, and probably in the upcoming 10 years, AI will be deeply integrated with all our lives. Whatever task we do, whatever, like if you are even going outside, if you are traveling somewhere, some or the other way, we are going to use some of the AI applications, right? And still, when I probably see in the job, right, job industries and all, there are a lot of openings with respect to AI. I've seen startups who are building some amazing ideas. They wanted to probably use these LLM models, solve some amazing use cases and all, right? Not only that, right? And this actually happens in each and every domain. I'm not just talking about one simple text domain or some other domain itself. Every domain, and probably if you have seen Shark Tank, right? Any companies that are building this startup, right? One or some of the AI functionalities are definitely included. Now, even though in your software engineering team also, you'll be seeing now whatever software product companies are actually building, there'll be a separate AI team to include some of the AI modules in those kind of software products, right? So this really shows, the kind of development that is happening in the field is quite amazing. But one important thing that we really miss still is the kind of AI workforce that we have who can probably work in that, right? People are learning things, but what people are actually lacking is kind of implementation, like how they can specifically implement AI in those specific use cases and all, right? And as you all know, if you're following my channel, I always make sure that I upload a lot of videos for you with respect to practical implementation, with respect to use cases and many more things. So still, if you think that many people will still say, hey, there are no jobs in AI and all, I've seen so many people getting placed in different places, and they're working specifically in AI use cases. If that is the kind of question that is coming in your mind, trust me, again, lagging things. There is a very good article. I'll probably provide you the article link in the description of this particular video, saying that why companies that wait to adopt AI may never catch up. So it's not only with respect to companies. Let's see, companies are already doing that specific thing now. Every companies are including AI task in there. They're trying to integrate AI in their software modules, in their applications, in their products, right? And this is with respect to both hardware and software. Similarly, what I feel is that people, if they are not adopting AI right now, again, they will never be able to catch up. And this is what I feel, and I'm able to see it, guys. Trust me, I've been in this particular field from past 11 years. The overall experience that I have in the IT industry is somewhere around 12 to 13 years. So I've seen that thing, that how this particular development is basically happening. You can probably see the examples of companies like NVIDIA, why NVIDIA is becoming very popular, OpenAI, right? As soon as they came up with this ChatGPT application, why it is basically popular. Why Facebook? Why Google? Why Meta, right? Why Google? Why companies like Anthropic? Why companies like OpenAI are working in that specific space, Because the application is quite huge. Tell me how many people do not use chat GPT? Everybody use, right? Why Google is probably also coming up with open source LLM models like Gamma, right? Why everybody is also in the race to create that open source model, like Meta came up with this Llama 2. Why Google is actually coming up? Because they really want to stay in that race, And yes, many people will talk about AGI applications, whether it is going to come in the future or not. But yes, in the future, you may see something like that. Like how Tony Stark says, hey, Jarvin, open a new project, create this specific project, do this, that, do that. Automatically, all those applications will be able to do it by itself, right? So those all things from the past 5 to 6 years, we have seen in all the movies. And that thing now we can actually see that, yes, it is getting possible. And there is a lot of research, a lot of money put into it, right? And the kind of scope that I probably see in the future is quite amazing. So it's time, guys, for you all to adopt AI in our day-to-day life. If you are not doing that, trust me, you may never catch up. I have some of my friends who still say, Krish, you have told me from past 4 to 5 years, get into the AI field. If they had got over there, right now they would have done amazing things. My managers for my previous companies, when I was working in Sapient, they are asking me for help right now. Krish, how do we implement like this? I need to show my client like how I can actually integrate AI in this. And client, trust me, with respect to all over the world, they really like to see some use cases with respect to AI, because at the end of the day, they know how efficient AI can actually be. And with respect to people who think that AI may take jobs and all, see, the future of development looks something like this. You really need to be jack of all trades. You really need to have knowledge with respect to multiple sectors. With respect to freshers, your college time is the most important period, guys. Please do not waste your college time. You really need to learn multiple things over there. You need to be pro at each and everything. Let's say that you want to go into the software engineering business. Make sure that you learn front end, back end, databases, how you can actually use AI in that. So you really need to be the jack of all trades, right? Because at the end of the day, AI will also help you to do many more things. So if you have a knowledge of all these things, trust me, by using AI, you'll be much more efficient then, right? So this thing you really need to take care in mind, and it's time, as I said, to adopt AI. Please make sure that you start using AI. You cannot ignore it. Trust me in that. So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.